Okay, so for my video today, I'm going to show you how I clean my fridge. And I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button so you can get notified when you get I post a new video, and I hope you like it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take out everything from these containers because I know that they are not good anymore. So now I'm gonna toss these out. So now I'm gonna wash all my containers. So now I'm gonna start taking out everything from the inside of the fridge. Okay, so here I just got some detergent. And I really do wash. I can't take this out. I haven't figured out how to take it out, so that's why I clean it this way. Now I'm going to do the same with the bottom one. So before I put the salad back and everything that was on the shelves, I dry. Now I'm using just like a little towel. Dry out everything so it's done. very tricky to take this one out. Just gonna put it over there, and I'm gonna clean over here. While I do that, I'm gonna take everything out of the drawer and I'm gonna wash the drawer. And look how dirty it is. So I'm just gonna wash that now. Okay, so that's the best I can do with the video. So you can see. So yeah, it's washed. Now I get the cloth to clean over here. I don't know if the video is good, but it's the best I can do because I record on my cell phone. So now that it's been soaking, it's now really easy to clean, to wash. So now I'm just gonna scrub again, make sure I take everything out. Okay, and now I'm gonna use the cloth I used before just to dry everything. So now we're going to put everything back on the drawer and put it back here. So that's how it looks like. Okay, so now let's just put everything back. So now I'm gonna take everything out of the door. And I'm gonna take out the shelves. Now I'm just gonna wash the shelves. Now I'm gonna get a dishcloth and I'm gonna dry. Last but not least, I have this one. This is just bacon that I leave here. And there's some cheese. So this one I'm just gonna use my cloth. If I want to, I can take these out, but I'm not going to because it's pretty clean. It's not dirty at all. So. Okay. And that's it. My fridge is clean. So you guys saw it before, and you can see it now that the shelves are really clean. It's pretty organized. So that's it for the video today. I hope you liked it, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.